Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose System, misclick, System, Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Then tap on Theme. Over here you can select Show Mode to see all available ones and tap on one of those. I will go with that one. Then click on the sweater next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings. This one though, tap on this plus icon under My Themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move. And click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done and enable or disable keyboarders by tapping on this sweater. Then select Apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!